Hey there, friend. Today I want to talk about a powerful verse from the Bible, Malachi 3:10. This verse holds a beautiful invitation from God, encouraging us to experience His abundance. First, let's talk about trust. God isn't a demanding taskmaster, He's a loving Father. Malachi 3:10 invites us to trust Him, to step out in faith and believe in His promises. When we do, God promises to bless us beyond our wildest dreams. Now, consider the gift of giving. Giving isn't a burden, it's a privilege. It's our way of expressing gratitude and sharing in God's generosity. Whether it's our time, talents, resources, or love, giving opens our hearts to joy and God's abundant love. God's grace goes beyond material blessings. His blessings include peace, presence, guidance, and an overwhelming love. When we give generously, we open ourselves to this deeper abundance, enriching our lives and transforming our hearts. Think about the power of partnership. God isn't distant, He's a loving Father inviting us to partner with Him. When we give, we join His mission to bring hope and healing to the world. Our generosity allows His love to flow through us, impacting others' lives. So how can we apply this to our lives? Reflect on your relationship with giving. Approach it with joy and gratitude, not obligation. Find specific ways to give back, volunteering, sharing skills, financial support, or simply being a compassionate friend. Trust in God's promises. He will honor your generosity and bless you beyond measure. Believe His love and blessings are overflowing, ready to pour into your life. Remember, giving isn't just about what we offer, but the heart behind our giving. When we give joyfully and trustingly, we open ourselves to God's abundant blessings. May your heart be filled with generosity, and may you experience the joy of sharing God's love. Thanks for tuning in. God bless.